we're just waiting for Satara. Oh my god, I missed you. Fridge transformation. Here is the before shot. I'm going to use these containers. Look how cool. Oh, that's absolutely gourmet. We just got caught in a rainstorm. A rainstorm! Oh, salon ready. Oh, decided to do deadlifts instead because the weight's already on the floor. Jerk chicken and rice and peas. It does look really cool. Oh my god, so good. All of our fridge and organisation has come. Oh, hey, hey.
We have half a slab today. Oh,
look how cute Blaze is. Hello. Oh, you're so cute. Fridge transformation. Here is the before shot. It's a complete unorganised mess. Don't know what's going on. We've got containers of fruit and leftovers and tiramisu. And our drawer is just wow. Look at this, it's just, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, the jars. Don't you wanna have fun? The door with the sauces. Fruit and veg.
Yeah, his baby said that they don't got a future like it burns. So give him something worse to kill his head with, make him forget somehow. Might be that another day.
Oh, it's very, very dirty. We got a sprinkle in there. All the fruit and leaves and the cheeses. I'm going to use these containers. Look how cool. Wow. Spinach, rocket, strawberries and blueberries. Oh my gosh, it's so cool. Woo, we did the cheeses.
yeah, baby, yeah. There you go, on the dot. And that's...
We finished.
Yay.
We started this at 12:15 and now it's 2:15.
Oh my...
Ready? Wow. Here's our fridge. It's our new containers. Here's the mozzarella, flat leaf parsley, and then here we have all of the jams in this thing, and you can pull it out and it's got all the jams in there, and then hummus in here, and then there's our chutneys, and then in here it's our milks and juices and sauces and cheese, and it looks so much better. Wow, amazing.
Yay! Oh, lovely. Lovely. It's only on for like 20 seconds.
What if the world had more of your smile?
You're having a nice sleep,
What if
please.
the wind could spread your love? What if your sweetness could reach everyone? There'd be no wars. Maybe the birds will sing. The trees will whisper the word. Maybe the sun will spread your joy to the ones who lost their hope.
Baby, please come this way, this way. Yay! Mum's Instagramming.
Yeah.
Go on, Tara. Oh.
Woo! She got it!
Woo!
Go, 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 come in! No, baby, you don't want that. There. Just come in. Wait, what's it?
You're so cute.
It's a baby. Oh,
Merlin.
Didn't we used to watch something called Merlin?
Yeah.
What was that?
It's a wizard.
Why were we obsessed with
I
it?
don't know.
Why? You got a dog in there?
No, I wish. Woo!
What is that for? What's that for? Did you just open them but Mum bought them for us on Saturday?
No. Reunited.
God, you treat me like a queen.
You are a queen.
How hot is it? Did you add cold?
You got Blaze a ball. Hey, Blaze.
What colour to do the floor? What, you tiling the floor? Pardon?
Oh my god, Blaze! You just helped yourself. We're supposed to... Oh my god, she just helped herself. Baby! That's so funny.
That was supposed to be a surprise!
So I think she likes it.
Yay!
That's so funny. Blaze, let me take it out of the packet.
Sit!
Oh!
Can you do your method going to do?
Yeah.
But she was also like trying
Supposed to be an independent question.
but
Good girl, baby. Blaze, where's your ball? Up there. It's up there. Baby. Woo! Woo! Chicken chow mein.
Poor head.
Mhm.
Where?
Give. There we go. We're going to see Ash. God, that's absolutely gourmet. Oh yeah. Ripped up the box. Blaze did. Good girl. That's amazing. You did such good ripping. Perfectly ripped. You're so amazing, Blaze. Oh, you're hitting it with your tail. 3, 2, 1, go. Made some tacos. They're so good. We're just waiting for Satara. Where's Satara? Where is she? Satara! She came for a drive.
oh my god, unclip her. Unclip. 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 She needs to get out.
I know. Good girlie! Yeah! Yay! Oh! She waited so long for you, yeah.
Oh my god, I love you. Kiss, 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 kiss. Oh my god, it missed you. Why did she make the same noise as me?
Look how cool the clouds look. Breaking a bit.
Kids up.
Jerk chicken and rice and peas. Whoa, so cool. Jamaican night tonight, and then tomorrow it's Italian, is it?
Oh, brilliant.
And then it's Spain.
I come at the hotel.
Bring back my nib. I scratched Tara for the first time in my life. Don't do this.
Baby, she don't want your boy. No? Okay. No, you can't wipe it on my arm.
Well, let me get my nib back then, so I can get you back.
No, you're not allowed it.
Mate, stop right now. Thank you very much. Need somebody with a human touch, not a strawberry one. Please, she's being mean.
Hey, baby. Ooh, yeah, let's go, baby. Ooh, my baby. God, this bit.
There's no twirls in this packet. How outraged are you?
Outrage.
I'm going to write in, I'm going to email, saying it's my sister's birthday present and her favourite chocolate is twirl. And
There's no
she's
twirl.
really sad. How are you so cute, Blaze? How are you so cute?
Is that my sock? Where'd you get on? Try cucumber.
Satara's day off.
Blaze won't try the cucumber.
Why? Oh dear. Satara burnt the sausage.
They're not burnt.
No, they're perfect. Everyone send your prayers to Tara because she can't get through her coursework.
I'm starting.
Halloumi. Halloumi. Tara's jealous of my lunch. How's it going, Tara? She's doing referencing. Are you referencing?
No,
You're eating. She's eating.
what's wrong with being? What's wrong with being confident?
It's me and Blaze going for walkies. You excited? Blaze, look! Look this way here. Look.
It was 31.
What did you do?
31.05. I think it was my leggings that sucked my legs in.
All in black. Tracksuit bottoms on. We're doing squats for the first time in like 2 weeks. I haven't been to the gym for ages. So I'm doing it in here. Yay. Decided to do deadlifts instead because the weight's already on the floor. Oh, date night.
Right, Lizzie.
Leave it. Elzani.
Go. Oh.
Can you paint my number? Yeah, my hair will be grown out and I'll have 10 wrinkles. Because I'll be so old when I finish it. Oh. If I get chocolate on it. Imagine if you
Chocolate.
God, you can't even see the numbers.
Whoa.
This is going to look so sick when it's done in the
Yeah.
lounge. No, I'm putting it in the lounge because it goes with the theme, I think. That's actually it. I feel really pressured. But look, it's all there. I just have to get it off my fingers.
Pinky.
Is that is 38, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, you check again. No, this.
30.
This.
Yeah.
It's
It's Tara's fave one. How are her lyrics so good? It's looking good. You what? It does look really cool. Do you feel achieved?
No, I feel like I've got backache and I feel like I've got loads of revision and work to do.
Eurovision. Tara's going on Eurovision next year.
What's that?
Drink.
Look, so Tara's got the chicken there.
Wow. He's been in the world for a few months.
It's chicken.
But suddenly that song has gained real traction.
That's it, Tara.
Oh, go on. Yeah? You're a good girl. You're a good girl. She loves doing them. Her dance at the end's so cute.
Luxembourg's winner in 73.
Blaze has got another stick. Come. Oh.
Sit then.
Do you like your stick, Blaze?
Hey, you can't stop like that.
Come on.
Why did she hold it by the end? So, and I'm running along the way. I knew these leggings would come in handy for today's walk.
We just got caught in a rainstorm. A rainstorm. Look at my hair.
My hair, I should have put it up.
My eyebrows have got water in.
It's all down. I thought, oh yeah, I curled it nicely as well. How far are we in our vlog?
Baby. Hey, it's Daddy. Who's that? Daddy.
What's that thing?
Uh-oh, she broke it.
Raise. I thought I... Put that drop out. But it's not dropping out. What caused
shelter.
the rain always ruins our walks.
Our beautiful walk has just been made even better.
Tara said, could my day get any worse? And yes, it did get worse.
It started raining.
I just asked for the wind to stop and it thought, great, I'll stop the wind, but you can have some of this taste down. Oh, salon ready. My turn is this. And my jeans. I mean, they're basically on the floor, aren't they? Look at them.
Dad's coming to pick us up. Rainbow. Dad's coming to pick us up.
Why was that literally like a film
Yeah.
moment? Like, I literally was walking like, could my day get any worse? And then
It did.
it did.
What on earth?
I'm gonna do that.
Do you know what I mean? Are we getting a sewing machine? Oh, damn. I want to start making my own clothes.
F off. Can't even make soup.
I can.
Yeah.
Summer loving. Huh?
Having the blast. Take
Tara's
that
staying
ugly
apart.
angle of me.
I I've not had a plait in my hair for about 7 years.
I need a hairband, else I can't complete it.
It's my new hairstyle. Hi
Guys,
guys.
it's Nicole. Lunch!
Which one do you want?
Oh, I'll have whatever she doesn't
Wait,
want.
what?
What's
Pasta
you?
meal.
What's Dad?
Oh, I love them, the M&S ones. Tara's getting photos with her 17. Yes. Oh my god, so good. Blaze.
Over there.
Blaze. Gonna get a trim. Sick trim. Haircut time.
I know.
Wow, we should put that outside for the birds.
It's actually soft.
Blaze, you having your eyebrows done? You good girl. Oh,
Oh,
yeah, you're right. She does go to sleep.
okay.
Maybe do her tummy.
Do you want me to do your paws? Yeah, she didn't let me do her tummy yet last time either.
Good girl.
This is Blaze's paw before. It's so overgrown and hairy, Blaze.
Baby, you're a good girl.
What did you do it in?
30 minutes, 40 seconds.
Oh, baby.